Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SARA BATRISYIA binti IBRAHIM from 5 Gigih, SPM 2022 from SMK Abdul Rahman Talib, Kuantan, Pahang. And today, I'm going to talk about one of the applications of Archimedes Principle, which is hot air balloon. Have you guys ever been to Turkey or Putrajaya and went on a hot air balloon? Well, if you haven't, have you guys ever seen hot air balloon on television or any other social media platforms and wondered how does the hot air balloon works? But before that, we're going to make an experiment. All you need is hot water and cold water, and last but not least, empty bottle with balloon. Firstly, I'm going to put the bottle in a hot water. Look! The balloon expands. This is because the air inside the balloon starts to heat up and the molecule begin to move faster. This shows that the warm air take up more space than cold air. The warm air rises the hot air balloon. What is hot air balloon? Hot air balloon is a lighter than air aircraft. The basic principle behind hot air balloon physics is the use of hot air to create buoyancy, which generates lift. As you guys can see in the diagram, those are the basic parts of hot air balloon. The envelope is the bag containing the gas in a balloon or an airship. The parachute valve is the valve on the balloon that releases gas to control density of balloon. The gore is the subsections of the balloon that make up the envelope. The burners heat up the air molecules, causing them to move faster and further apart. The basket is where the passengers are located along with the fuel tanks. An opened flame caused by burning liquid propane. These are the characteristics of a balloon. Firstly, the gas or fluid that fills the balloon must be lighter than air, for example, hot air, steam, helium, or hydrogen. Next, the envelope or container must be lightweight, airtight, securely fastened, and strong enough to support a man. Lastly, the ability to produce gas in sufficient quantities must exist. How does a hot air balloon works? Firstly, the warm air rises in cooler air. When the air in the balloon is heated, the density of hot air less than the density of cold air. It displaces a large volume of air in the balloon. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of surrounding air displaced. The difference in density causes the hot air balloon to lift off the ground due to the buoyant force created by the surrounding air. The hot air balloon rises upwards when the buoyant force is greater than the weight of hot air in the balloon, plus weight of airship fabric, plus weight of gondola, and plus weight of passengers. This principle behind this lift is called Archimedes Principle. Since the air inside the envelope is heated, it is less dense than the surrounding air, which means that the buoyant force due to the cooler surrounding air is greater than the weight of the heated air inside the envelope. The altitude of the balloon can be controlled by varying the temperature of the hot air in the balloon. Did you know the balloon descends when the buoyant force is lower than the weight of hot air balloon in the balloon, plus weight of the airship fabric, plus weight of the gondola, plus weight of the passengers? The balloon remains stationary when upthrust is equal with the weight of hot air balloon in the balloon, plus weight of airship fabric, plus weight of the gondola, and plus weight of the passengers. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.